The stock market is going crazy right now with retail stocks in the trash can, AMC and GameStop making a return, and the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 near all-time highs. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining my thesis on why I think retail stocks are about to make a return and why I think AMC is paving the path for that. So right now, basically any stock which retail investors are interested in is getting unjustifiably beat down. Stocks like Nano Dimension, PLTR, Plug, TTCF, and others hit lows at the end of April and the beginning of May and are currently trading around those levels. One of the main reasons why these retail stocks are so beat down is because large institutions are heavily shorting these stocks because they understand that there are recently many new retail investors that started buying stocks on platforms like Robinhood and Webull. And institutions understand that they can easily make these new retail investors sell out of their stocks by inflicting fear and short selling the stocks. New retail investors lack patience. They want their stocks to shoot up in price immediately, and the slightest glimpse of a stock losing value causes these new retail investors to get scared and sell out of their shares. Institutions noticed this and they decided it was a perfect opportunity for them to make loads of money. Institutions are heavily shorting all retail stocks, but AMC is currently the only one with a fighting chance to beat the institutions at their own game. Recently, AMC ran up to over $30, and it's proving to the institutions that they can't keep getting away with just heavily shorting stocks and racking in huge profits. The squeeze that AMC has is likely going to have a market-wide ripple effect in my opinion, especially into the momentum and growth stocks. The March correction has heavily hit the momentum and growth stocks, and all the money moved to slow growth sectors and crypto. I think the AMC squeeze is going to bring all the money back into this high growth and momentum stock sector because people on Wall Street Bets and other folks will be trying to chase the next big short squeeze. We've seen this happen before, guys. When GameStop had that big short squeeze, it caused other stocks like AMC, BlackBerry, Bed Bath & Beyond, and more to begin rallying up because the money started to flow back into this sector. I think this time AMC is going to start the so-called market-wide short squeeze because people are going to be looking for the next stock with large short interests. I think this will directly affect the momentum in high growth sectors because the stocks in these sectors do have high short interest. Money will eventually flow into these stocks and it will cause them to all inflate in price. We're already even seeing this happen in stocks like TTCF. Tattooed Chef hit lows near $15 and it quickly ran up over 30% in the span of 2 weeks due to micro short squeezes. Personally, I have a long-term conviction in TTCF and it has a short interest of 38%. So I feel that many retail investors will be inspired by AMC's short squeeze and they would chase stocks like TTCF and other high growth retail stocks to create the next short squeeze. From a long-term and logical sense, after the 2020 stock market crash, we pretty much saw a crazy bull run. You could have bought any stock and made money during this time, so retail investors started to get comfortable. After this peak around February, shorts started to pile in because they noticed that retail investors started getting comfortable. Since then, basically any stock you would have bought probably lost money, so the shorts are starting to now get comfortable. I think now is the time that retail investors and longs start to jump back into the market. Comment your thoughts on this video, comment what stock you want me to cover next. Peace.